In this video, I will show you what to do if you fail to update your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. So, first of all, we have to make sure that our camera is charged by at least 20%. If it is, then what we have to do to properly download and update using the Quik app and a smartphone is swipe down Quick Settings menu, then go to the second page and open Preferences here. Scroll down to About section, go to Camera Update, and then using the smartphone's camera we have to scan this QR code on our camera screen and follow the link, then connect to our camera. And in case you did everything right and you have the new software version available for your camera, it should be start downloading and installing automatically. The firmware version you can check the firmware version by tapping the three-dot icon next to your camera and checking it right here. And if you see that your camera is outdated but you failed to download your firmware update this way, we can use manual update. To update your camera manually, you have to shut it down by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, then open the door on the right side of the camera and remove the microSD card from here and then insert it into your computer. On your computer you have to download the update from GoPro official website, the link to which will be attached to the description of this video, and click download update. You will download this update file. You have to right click this file that you downloaded and select extract all, extract. Now you have to drag this folder from here to your cameras folder. Make sure that you have this folder on your USB drive. Make sure that it's a regular file folder and not the zip file. And after that, safely eject your USB flash drive and return back to your GoPro. Make sure that your GoPro is turned off. Reinsert your microSD card into the tray right here. Close the lid and then turn it on by short pressing the power button. And in case the firmware version is newer than you have on your camera, the camera update will begin automatically. Otherwise, you will still not be able to update your camera because we cannot update the already updated camera. So if update failed right now, then you can be sure that your camera uses the latest firmware. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.